Welcome back to our new video friends. Today we are going to talk about notification setting, and guys in this video guys I will show you how can you on app notification in Technophone. Guys, you want to on guys any app notification, example for guys Play Store, Chrome, phone assistant, Google, Gmail. Guys, you want to on this type or this app notification, so guys you can on. In this video guys I will tell you how to on it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on notification center. At this notification center we will click here. So guys, which app guys you want to on notification, example for Chrome, YouTube, Play Store, Google Assistant, and guys Facebook notification, file manager notification, guys Gmail notification. Yes friends, so you can on from here, and guys you can use notification setting from here. So I hope friends we have understood how to on app notification in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.